Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to start chapter 7 of EVS semester 1. The name of the chapter is People Who Help Us. Students, there are a lot of people around us that help us besides our mom and dad and other people in our family. Look at these pictures. Teacher. The teacher teaches different subjects to children in school. Doctor. A doctor takes care of people's health by giving checkups and helping sick or injured patients. Doctors wear a long white coat so that they don't get germs. Postman. A postman delivers the letter and cards to people. They wear a uniform and carry mails in a bag. Students, they are all our friends. They live in our neighborhood. They help us read how each of them helps us. Carpenter. A carpenter makes the wooden furniture in his workshop. They use wood to build things. Firemen. These people are very important if there is a fire at any place. They risk their own life to make sure other people are safe. Cobbler. A cobbler makes and mends our footwear. He uses a shoehorn and needle and thread for this. Tailor. A tailor sews or stitches new clothes for us. He uses a measuring tape, scissors, and a sewing machine for sewing clothes. Mechanic. A mechanic repairs machines, vehicles, and light trucks. He usually work in garage. Soldier. A soldier is a person who works or serves in the army. His role is to fight and protect for our country. Potter. A potter makes pots from clay, usually by hands on a special wheel. Clay is the basic raw material used for it. Fisherwomen. A fisherwoman sells fish in the fish market. They catch fish from seas, rivers, and ponds. They use nets and boats to catch fish. Porter. A porter is a railway employee. The role of a porter is to carry our luggage. Shopkeeper. A shopkeeper sells things in a shop. He provides us everyday groceries. These are some of the jobs people do. There are many other jobs too. All these jobs are important. These people make our life comfortable. They help us in many ways. Students, we will continue with new words. Neighborhood. Neigbourhood. Neighborhood. Comfortable. 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 Carpenter. 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 Cobbler. 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 Soldier. 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 Fireman. 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 Luggage. 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 Mechanic. 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 Porter. 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 Look at this chart to recall people who help us. Carpenter makes furniture. Fireman puts out fire. Cobbler makes and mends footwear. Tailor stitches our clothes. Mechanic repairs machines. Soldier protects our country. Potter makes pots. Fisherwoman sells fish. Porter carries our luggage. Shopkeeper sells things. So, students, we should be thankful to them for working so hard for us and keeping us healthy. Thank you. That's all for today.